Hey Lovelies, welcome to The Productive Girl, and today we are gonna unbox and see a mystery box, which is a books mystery box. I'm a big time book lover and also I love to collect books in order to step up my book collection. I'm also curious about what the books will be in the mystery box. I've just ordered this books mystery box from the site called 99bookscart, where they sell new books, used books and everything, and I also feel like it's quite affordable for the number of books that they are providing. I will leave the website link in the description box below if you want to check it out. Now let's unbox and see what are the books that we got inside. Okay, this is the first opening. Looks like it has a lot of tiny pamphlets and bookmarks. The first one, it says read, lead, succeed, and it has the branding 99bookscart.com. They have given a lot of pamphlets of it, and then there are 4 bookmarks, and the first one says escaping reality one page at a time. Next one says a book is a gift, which is absolutely yes. And the next one is off to a new adventure, and the next one is I think therefore I read. So the bookmarks quality are pretty amazing, I should say, and also the designs are really good and it's not repetitive and everything is different from one another. So we have total of 15 books here. Also all are fiction books, there are no non-fiction books here. So I'm just gonna roughly read the title and the author, that's it, because I don't know much about fiction. The first book is Rough Justice by Gilda O'Neill. So they loved and lost, hoped and feared. That's the tagline. Second book is Isabel's Wedding by Sheila O'Flanagan. The #1 bestseller, it says, and it's a pretty huge book. The next pick is The Killing of Innocence by J.C. Sinclair. A love story, or is it? Next book is Annie Murray, A Hopscotch Summer, A Family in Trouble, A Life Torn Apart. That's a tagline. Fifth book is The Chamomile Lawn by Mary Wesley. The next book is The Narrow Road to the Deep North by Richard Flanagan. Next book is The Rome Prophecy by John Trace. Next one is The Hotel on Mulberry Bay. She Came Home to Save a Business, and it's by Melissa Hill, the top 10 bestseller. I'm pretty curious to read this book. Next one is A Round-Heeled Woman, the international bestseller. This was written by Jane Juska, I think. Next one is A Respectable Trade by Philippa Gregory. Next book is You and Me Always by Jill Mansell, the #1 best-selling author. I really love the cover page of this book. It's really youthful. Also guys, as you guys can see, at the beginning of the book, some pages are torn apart. The next book cover is absolutely amazing, which is I Heart New York. When you're running away from heartbreak, there is only one place to go. That's a tagline. Next book is Friday's Girl by Charlotte Bingham. Next book is Keeping Faith, and the lines in the cover are, you don't believe in God, but your daughter is talking to angels. The final book is A Hopeless Romantic by Harriet Evans, and that's it. These are the 15 books that I've received in this books mystery box at 99bookscart. Okay, what I would say is that it's not new books, it's used books. Most of all, the quality is really good. I would say if you are a book lover or an avid reader who reads a lot of fiction books, then you can really go on to buy this mystery box to just have fun at reading. If you read any book that I've got in this mystery box, then do let me know in the comments which would be great to start off with. Then I will start reading that first. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.